Taking a look at Nvidia here on the daily chart, and it is looking pretty good here. We have been ranging between the lower and middle Bollinger Band, looking like we are about to break the middle Bollinger Band at 109.50 resistance. Once we break above 109.50, I would keep an eye out for this upper Bollinger Band to be tested, and that upper Bollinger Band is going to be ranging towards the top side of this downtrend pattern. If we're looking at the upper Bollinger Band, that is going to be right around 125. I want to mention 125 as a price target here for Nvidia in the upcoming days and possibly weeks. The reason is because the upper Bollinger Band here on the daily chart is also the 200-day moving average, which again is going to be at 125. If we want to compare the current price here to about 125, that is going to be a 14.5% move to the top side. And again, as a long-term investor, I still don't mind adding while it's below the 200-day moving average. I mentioned during the past couple of weeks that my preferable price range of entry is between 96 and 117. I really think this is a good dip opportunity, especially for long-term investors. Even if you are possibly a swing trader or a day trader, I expect to see a potential move here to the top side in terms of swing traders, looking for 125 to be tested here going into May 2025. And again, just in the next couple of weeks here, I am going to keep an eye out for a 14% move to the top side overall, right? I'm not going to say it's going to happen in a single day, but it may take possibly 1 or 2 weeks before we get to this price test here of 125. With that being said, I do believe that during this year, we will make a new all-time high. I do firmly believe, and I'm optimistic that 153 is going to be tested within 2025. I have my own price target here of 180, and if you want to compare the current price here, now currently at 109, all the way up to $180, that is going to be a 65% move to the top side. And so let me know what your thoughts are down below in the comments. If you don't know much about the Bollinger Band here, feel free to watch any of my other videos. I do have some explanations on Bollinger Bands, and I do plan on making more videos on Bollinger Band as well, and how it has helped me in terms of long-term investments, knowing when to potentially add in terms of long-term stocks. Again, for example here, while we are below the 200-day moving average and we are between the lower and middle Bollinger Band, this was a really good dip opportunity. The ranges for that was between 109 and 93, and we have our Fibonacci retracements up right now. Between 117 and 96, there was a really good dip opportunity, and again, we're still below 117, meaning I still am buying Nvidia as of today. I did buy some shares for Nvidia this morning for my long-term portfolio, and like I said, I'm already expecting a 14.5% move to the top side, as well as the new all-time high as well during this year. If we're just looking for 153 to be tested, it's still going to be a whopping 40% move to the top side. So let me know what your thoughts are down below in the comments for Nvidia. Do you think Nvidia is a buy right now at these current prices? What's your average for Nvidia stock? And if you are long-term on Nvidia, let us know down below in the comments as well. If you want to join our Discord, it's free to join. We have over 32,000 people and a dedicated chat section for Nvidia. Highly recommend joining if you want to chat about Nvidia with our community. If you are looking for live entries and exits on stocks and options, I highly recommend checking out our Patreon link down below in the description as well. We do share live entries and exits on stocks and options, and that does include Nvidia. If you want to join, like I said, it's going to be a 90% off permanent discount as we're celebrating our 5-year anniversary. It is a promotion that will end soon, so check out the Patreon link down below just to see if we have any available open spots. And if not, there's always going to be another time. And again, both links are going to be down below in the description. Hope you guys get to join our Discord, okay? Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video for Nvidia.